Okay, in this class, we are going to study English subject. In our last class, we started the comprehension junction of chapter number 5. So we read the passage, and thereafter we were supposed to give the answers based on that particular paragraph or passage. But due to the lack of the time, we could not give the answer, we could not discuss the answer of the questions of that section. So today we have to discuss the all the possible answer for the questions related to the comprehension junction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That's why I asked you all in that session. I asked you all to solve, to give the answer, to try to give the answer for that questions. How many did try? How many did have solved the questions? How many have written the answer for those questions? Okay, many of you. Okay, I'll check. Yes, please. Okay, now. Thus, it was this passage. The monkeys go fasting. I think I hope that everyone is everyone is has remembered. Everyone have remembered the story. What was happen in this passage?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So shall we move
Yes, sir.
ahead on the question directly? The first question is, how did the monkeys plan to keep the fast? Just I will take the name, then you have to give the answer. How many can give the answer of this question? If you want, you all can open your book. You all can look into your book and then give your answer. This is a comprehension junction. After looking into the paragraph, you all have to give your answer. But I need the answer from you all. So if you can, if you want, if you wish, you can take the help of your book. How many can give the answer? Barkha, Astha, Anushka, Shivangi Tripathi, Shivanya, Simran Bharti also can. Okay. Many of you are okay. Abhinay Pandey, beta, also you have raised your hand. Give me answer. Give the answer of this question.
तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताना है.
Beta, you have to tell. What is the first question? Can you read? Abhinay Pandey.
How did the monkey plan to keep the fish?
Keep the, what is this?
Fish.
What is the spelling?
Fast.
Tell me the
K-double-E-P, keep.
I'm asking this one. What is this? The last word. F-A-S-T,
So
fast.
fast. So
Fast.
fast.
Okay, Shivanna Chaudhary. Now tell me the answer. What is your answer?
The monkeys plan to keep the fast. Let us first keep the food ready so it be easy for us when the brain.
Your voice is very low. I'm not getting your voice properly. Try to speak in the mic so that we can get your voice properly.
Keep plans to keep the fast. Let us first keep the food ready so it would be easy for us when we bring our fast, said the chief.
Okay, anybody else who want to tell? Astha Maurya.
The monkey collected the banana and peeled the banana and ready the food for the fast.
How did monkeys plan to keep the fast? How did monkeys plan? मंकियों ने क्या प्लान किया था फास्ट रखने के लिए? What was their plan? शिवांगी त्रिपाठी.
Sir, they have planned that they first keep the food ready, so it would be easy for when they break their fast.
Okay, good. Anushka Yadav, what is your answer?
Sir, the monkeys' plan to keep the fast is that they first keep the food ready, so it would be easy for monkeys when they break their fast.
Beta Anushka Yadav, can you do one thing? You have to tell your answer with your closed eyes. First of all, close your eyes. Close your eyes and now tell me the answer, whatever you have spoken.
The monkey plan that first they keep their food ready, so it would be easy for monkeys when they break their fast.
Yes, good. Good try. Very good. Anybody else? Barkha.
Let us first keep food ready so it would be easy for us when we break our fast.
Yes. Anybody else who want to give the answer? Yashvardhan Singh. But you have put your mic on mute. At least first of all, you should unmute yourself. Then you should tell. Muskan Prajapati, you want to focus on your study. Today again, you have not rotated your phone. Today again, you did not rotate your phone. Every day I have to remind you. Yes, Vardhan, we are not getting your voice from your side. Okay, Adarsh Aditya Singh, unmute yourself. You tell us the answer.
The monkey collects the banana and peels the bananas and ready the food.
Okay, Simran Bharti.
The first keep food ready so it would be easy for when we break our fast side the keep.
Yes, they plan. How did monkeys plan to keep the fast? Let us look into the paragraph. And how the monkey planned the fast? They planned. One day a group of monkeys decided to go on a fast. How? Let us first keep the food ready so it would be easy for us when we break our fast. The plan was that monkey decided to keep the food ready so that it would be easy for them to when they break their fast. They planned for breaking the fast. Actually, they planned for breaking the fast even before keeping the fast. They planned for breaking the fast even before keeping the fast. आपको पता है? They planned for breaking the fast. जो फास्ट था उसको तोड़ने का प्लान वो करने लगे कि जब ब्रेक हम कोई फास्ट जो है जब ब्रेक करेंगे तो तब क्या करेंगे, उसके बाद की चीजें करने लगे. बिफोर हैविंग द फास्ट, बिफोर कीपिंग द फास्ट, फास्ट रखने के पहले ही फास्ट तोड़ने का प्लान करने लगे. जब फास्ट ही नहीं रहे तो तोड़ने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं. वो बनाना पहले हाथ में रख लेते हैं, शेयर कर लेते हैं सारे बनानास, फिर उसको पील कर लेते हैं, फिर तीसरे ने बोला मुंह में रख लेते हैं. What was these? These were the plan of breaking the fast ना, कि having the fast. क्या था? फास्ट रखने का प्लान था या
Sir, breaking the fast.
का प्लान था?
Sir, breaking the fast.
Breaking the fast.
Sir, breaking the fast. Sir, the breaking the fast.
So the answer of the first question should be the monkeys decided to keep the fast, keep the food ready, so it would be easy for them when they break their fast. Even they planned for breaking the fast before keeping the fast. कीप मीन्स क्या होता है पता है? कीप मीन्स व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय कीप? रखना।
रखना
Sir, रखना.
रखना
Many times you all are instructed like keep your book. Keep your book into your bag. Keep your things on the right place. Keep your bag on the right place. Many sentences are there where you can use this keep word. Okay. The second question: who gathered the bananas? How many can tell the answer of this question? Who gathered the bananas? Already I have told, if you wish, you all can take the help of your book. You all can take the help of, you all can look into the passage, then you can give your answer. Who gathered the bananas? Who gathered the bananas? Yashvardhan Singh? Beta Yashvardhan, your voice is not coming. I think there is an issue with your mic. If you are using the microphone.
No, sir.
Now, yes, now we are getting. What is your answer? Who gathered the bananas?
The young monkeys gathered the bananas.
The young monkeys gathered the bananas. What is the answer of this question? Okay. Everyone studied the chief of study. All the young monkeys went searching for food. That means the young monkeys gathered the bananas. Okay. Rashpal, also you have to tell what is the answer of this question. Who gathered the bananas?
The young monkey gathered the bananas.
Okay. Abhinay Pandey, what is your answer?
सर मैंने बुक से देखकर लिखा है.
हाँ बताइए आपने क्या लिखा है बेटा?
Sir, the monkey is a grated of a bananas.
What you have written beta?
Sir, the monkey is grated of a bananas.
क्या लिखे हो? नहीं क्लियर हो रहा है.
Sir, the monkey is a grated of a bananas.
The monkey is a gathered bananas. अच्छा, the monkey.
Yes,
the monkey नहीं, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है all the young monkeys went searching for food. यानी वही तो बनाना. They come back with a lots of red, green and yellow bananas. यानी all the young monkeys gathered the bananas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next question number 3. What were colors of bananas that they gathered? What were colors of bananas that they gathered? Sanjana Paswan.
The young monkeys gathered the banana color red, green, and yellow.
Okay. How many colors were there, Shikhar Verma? How many colors were there, Shikhar Verma?
Sir, 3.
Okay. Okay, good. You both are correct. Now, there is a question. Let us read between the lines. Another questions. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think means क्या होता है? Who is able to understand? What do you think मतलब क्या है? What do you think? What do you think? Anchit Kumar, what do you think? What do you think, Anchit? Mamta Sonkar, Anchit is taking lots of time. Mamta Sonkar, what do you think का मतलब क्या है?
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
आप क्या सोचते हैं? Who told? Mamta or Anchit? Who did tell?
ममता.
Okay, Mamta. What do you think? आप क्या सोचते हैं? Very good, Mamta. What do you think? What do you think happened when the monkey saw all the bananas? आप क्या सोचते हैं क्या हुआ होगा? What do you think happened when the monkey saw the bananas? Muskan Prajapati, can you tell what you are getting of this question? What is the meaning of this question?
कल आप क्या सोचते हैं छोटे बंदर
Okay, Muskan is not connected well. So
miscellaneousness
what happened, beta? Madam, please. Muskan.
miscellaneousness
Which means beta?
miscellaneousness
What is the question? Where you are reading? The question is this. What do you think happened when the monkey saw all the bananas? I'm asking what is the meaning of this question? Anushka Yadav.
सर बंदरों को क्या हुआ जब वे सभी बनानास को देखे?
क्या हुआ होगा जब फिर से पूछिए क्या आपने बोला? I could not get.
उन बंदरों को क्या हुआ होगा जब वे सभी बनानास को देखे?
What do you उन बंदरों को क्या हुआ होगा नहीं क्या हुआ होगा बस सिर्फ इतना लिखा है. What happened to all the monkeys ऐसा नहीं कुछ लिखा है सिर्फ यही पूछा है what happened. What do you think was happened? ऐसा क्या हुआ होगा when the monkeys saw all the banana जब monkeys saw all the banana जब monkeys ने bananas को देखा था. Okay. How many can give the answer?
Yes,
question?
yes, sir.
How many can? Okay, Adarsh Singh, you have to tell.
I think when the monkey saw all the bananas, the monkey was drooling.
Anchit Kumar.
All the monkeys are drooling when they saw the bananas.
Okay. ये तो आपने बताया कि all the monkeys it is mentioned here. Where is everyone started drooling when they saw the bananas. That means Anchit has told the correct answer. Good, very good, Anchit. Now moving ahead. Anybody else who is having another answer for this question, for question number 1? Anybody else?
Sir, question दोबारा बोलिए.
Beta Shikhar Verma, I'm asking that just you need to tell the answer of this question. What do you think happened when the monkey saw all the bananas? Shikhar.
I think we should share the banana now so that we do not waste time when we break our fast.
No, beta, actually you are telling another answer. Shikhar Verma, pardon please, can you speak your answer once again?
I think we should share the banana
मैं ये
now
सोचता हूँ
so
कि हमें
that
बनाना
we
शेयर करना
do
चाहिए.
not-
आप ये सोचते हैं कि आपको बनाना शेयर करना चाहिए. मैं क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? The question is, आप क्या सोचते हैं कि ऐसा क्या हुआ होगा जब monkeys ने बनाना को देखा था? When monkeys saw all the banana, जब monkeys जब सारे बनाना को देखते थे तो क्या हुआ था? क्या हुआ होगा? क्या सोचते हैं आप?
Everyone started doiling when they.
Okay, Abhinay, what do you want to say? What is your answer?
Like, sir, the monkey see the bananas become sulfur.
Sulfur. What is sulfur, Bitash? What is the meaning
Sir,
of
sulfur.
hmm?
Sir, sulfur.
Barkha, what do you want to say? Barkha.
All monkeys are drooling when they see the bananas.
Yes, Rajpal.
The monkey saw the bananas. He started rolling.
There is a double O. When monkeys saw the bananas, what happened? Everyone started drooling when they saw the banana. वो मतलब उतावले हो गए खाने के लिए, because banana is the favorite food of monkeys. Okay.
Monkeys. Yes, sir.
The next question is, do you think the little monkeys was mischievous, clever, or innocent? First of all, if I ask you all, do you think the little monkeys was mischievous? So first of all, you need to understand the meaning of mischievous. How many are able to know the meaning of mischievous? Mischievous means क्या होता है? Mischievous means क्या होता है? Who can tell? Asta Moria.
Sir, शरारती.
Yes. शरारती. आपको क्या लगता है? Do you think? क्या आप सोचते हैं the little monkeys was mischievous? जो छोटे monkeys थे, बंदर थे, वो बहुत ही शरारती थे और clever या बहुत चालाक थे. Clever means क्या होता है?
चालाक.
चालाक
और innocent.
चालाक.
और innocent. What is the meaning of innocent? Yes. शिवांगी त्रिपाठी.
सर, भोला.
भोला. Yes. Innocent means एक होता है भोला भाला. तो what do you think? The little monkeys was mischievous, बहुत ही शरारती थे और clever या बहुत चालाक थे और innocent या बहुत भोले भाले थे. बेटा, there is not mention, but also I need reason for your answer. Everybody have to give your answer. Okay. देखता हूँ किसको ये monkeys mischievous लगते हैं, किसको clever लगते हैं, किसको innocent लगते हैं. Deepak Singh, now tell me that are you mischievous or not? Deepak Singh is not telling the answer.
सर यस
Yes. Which action you are doing that so that I can know that so that I can look, can you tell the reason? Can you tell some of the action which support your yes answer? Acha, who is innocent? How many are innocent here? How many are innocent here? Innocent means क्या होता है अभिनय?
सर, इन्हें भोला भाला.
भोला भाला का इंग्लिश क्या होगा?
सर,
भोला भाला का इंग्लिश क्या होगा? भोला भाला को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
सर, इम्यूनियन.
हाँ, फिर से ट्राई करिए. बिल्कुल, ये लिखा हुआ है आपके सामने ही.
सर, इम्यूनियन.
Innocent, yes. Innocent. So are you innocent or not? Abhinay,
Yes, sir.
you are innocent, okay? And now tell me that ki, are you mischievous or not? Are you mischievous? What is the meaning of mischievous, beta?
सर चालाक.
चालाक? No. Clever means होता है चालाक. Mischievous means होता है शरारती. So now tell me that key, whether you are mischievous or not.
No sir.
No, you are innocent. You are not mischievous. Acha, how many are here who is mischievous? How many are there? How many are here? How many of you are mischievous? None of the students have raised their hand. Shikhar Verma, are you innocent or clever or mischievous? Which
No, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, clever.
clever, you are clever. Yes, you are clever. You trying, you try to make fool to your elders by playing the game during the taking live class. This is the sign of clever, na? So, Astha Maurya, what do you think? Are you mischievous, clear, or innocent? I need the reason. I need a.
सर आप तो अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है.
Are you mischievous, clever, or innocent? Okay, Asa, you do not have to tell. You have to tell about Shimangi Tripathi. Now tell us that which type of girl is Shimangi? Whether she is mischievous, clever, or innocent. Asa Maurya, you have to tell.
Sir, clever.
She is clever. Okay. How should I believe you? Tell me one action she has done when you realize that she is a clever girl. Okay, Shimangi Tripathi, you have to tell. You have to tell about the Simran Bharti. Which type of girl is Simran Bharti?
Sir, clever.
She's also clever. Can you tell one of the action when you realize that Simran has shown this skill that she is a clever. Only 10 minutes is remaining, so just moving ahead on the question. The question is, do you think the little monkey was mischievous, clever, or innocent? There is 3 options. You all need to tell. Whoever think that little monkey was mischievous, they have to show 1 finger. Whoever is think that the little monkeys was clever, they have to show 2 finger. If you think that the little monkeys were innocent, then you have to show 3 finger. Okay. Most of clever. Many of the students are showing 2 finger that little monkeys were clever. बेटा अगर वो इतने चालाक होते, अच्छा चालाकी ही दिखा रहे थे खाने के लिए. It may be after seeing the bananas they were drooling. मुंह में पानी आ गया होगा पूरी तरीके से. कैसे खाया जाए दिमाग लगाने लगे. चलो अच्छा ठीक है, शेयर कर लेते हैं, मुंह में रख लेते हैं, फिर गटक गए. They were clever. Someone is also telling that कि they were innocent. वो बहुत मासूम थे, उनको पता नहीं था कि मैं अपने आप को संभाल नहीं पाऊंगा, हम लोग खा लेंगे. Okay, all the answers are correct. It is on you that what do you think? Whatever you think, just you need to write the answer here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving on the
Yes
third.
sir.
Why do you think? Why do you think? Why do you think का मतलब कौन बताएगा? कौन बताएगा? Why do you think? Why do you think? Yes, Anchit.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
No, you're wrong. What is the meaning of why? अंचित,
क्या?
क्या नहीं पढ़े हैं आप? यहाँ की इंग्लिश why होती है? Farkan, tell the Anchit the meaning of why. Farkan, what is the meaning of why? Anchit is wrong. अभिनय पांडे बताइए आप.
Sir, why means क्यों?
पार्डन बेटा एक बार फिर से बताइए, नहीं सुनाई पड़ा अंचित को.
Sir, why means क्यों?
Why means क्यों. Why do you think का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? Why do you think?
Sir, सर ये तुम क्यों सोचते हो?
ये तुम नहीं, क्यों सोचते हो? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? तुम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? तुम क्यों सोचते हो? आप क्यों सोचते हैं that the monkey were not able to keep the fast? Why do you think? आप क्यों सोचते हो? The monkeys were not able to keep the fast. The monkeys were not able to keep the fast. Not able to. Not able to का मतलब समझते हैं? कहा जाता है I'm not able to leave. I'm not able to come to school. I'm not able to do this thing. I'm not able to bring this object. यानी मैं ऐसा नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Not able to यानी मेरे अंदर एबिलिटी नहीं है. एबिलिटी से एबल बना है. मंकीज वर नॉट एबल. मंकीज के अंदर वो एबिलिटी मतलब योग्यता, यानी मंकीज जो है ऐसा कर पाने में सक्षम नहीं थे, एबल नहीं थे टू कीप द फास्ट. क्या फास्ट रख पाने में सक्षम नहीं हुए. व्हाई डू यू थिंक द मंकीज वर नॉट एबल टू कीप द फास्ट? यस आस्था.
I think that the monkey were not able to keep the fast because they could not tolerate the fast.
अनुष्का यादव.
I think that monkeys were not able to keep their fast because they could not tolerate their fast.
They could not tolerate. What is the meaning of tolerate बेटा?
Sir, सहना.
अच्छा, वो सह नहीं पा रहे थे, भूखे नहीं रह पा रहे थे. ओके. टॉलरेट मीन्स सहना होता है. आस्था मौर्य, can you repeat your answer?
I think that the monkey were not able to keep the fast because they could not tolerate the fast.
Tolerate. Let me confirm. Tolerate. What is the spelling of tolerate?
Tolerate.
Tolerate means सहना या सहन करना. Okay, good. They could not tolerate the fast. Okay. Maybe you all have tried to give your correct answer. Good. Anybody else? Anybody else want to tell the answer of this question? Who can give the answer? Shivangi Tripathi.
Yes, the monkey were not able to keep the fast because they were very hungry.
They were very hungry. The bananas are the favorite food of monkeys. The bananas are the favorite food of monkeys. When he saw the bananas, they could not stop them. And that is why they could not keep their fast. The answers are there. It is on you that ki what do you think? आप क्या सोचते हैं? Okay? Just whatever you think, you need to write here. Ahead, Shivangi Tripathi, can you mute your mic? The next question, let us go beyond the story. There is one question that is based on the story, whatever you have read, but it is beyond the lines, beyond the passage. Have you ever kept a fast? The first question is, have you ever kept a fast? Have you ever kept a fast? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Have you ever kept a fast? Yes, अनुष्का.
सर आप कभी व्रत रखे हैं?
आस्था मौर्य.
क्या आप कभी व्रत रखे हैं?
अभिनय पांडे.
सर आप कभी क्या व्रत रखे हैं?
केप्ट फास्ट, क्या आपने कभी भी, यानी पूरे थ्रू आउट द लाइफ, क्या आपने कभी फास्ट रखा है? Yes या no? Whoever whose answer is yes, they have to raise their hand. Have you ever kept a fast? I'm asking. If yes, then you can show your hand. Have you ever kept a fast? जिनका आंसर यस है वो क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, I have kept a fast. If yes, yes करने वालों के लिए एक और एक्टिविटी है, राइट अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस. आप अपने अनुभव को लिखिए. आप उस दिन क्या हुआ, क्या क्या आपके मतलब कैसा आपने फील किया, क्या हुआ, all the things you have to write. Or else write about a family member who keeps a fast and his or her experience. अगर आपने फास्ट रखा है तो आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिखिए, उस दिन आपने कैसा फील किया, क्या हुआ. और अगर आप नहीं फास्ट रखे हैं तो आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स जो फास्ट रखते हैं उनके बारे में लिखना है, लेकिन लिखना सबको है. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The task for today. This is the task for today, and this is how we have completed this section. And now your session is about to be closed for today. So everyone have to do the activity. Everybody have to complete the exercise and send the pic of your work. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes.
सर गेदर्ड का हिंदी मीनिंग क्या होता है?
इकट्ठा होना, एकत्रित होना, एकत्रित होना. Gathered means इकट्ठा होना. You all have gathered online for learning.